guys, this is Shikha and welcome back to my channel. So have you ever looked yourself into the mirror and got surprised by looking all those white flakes onto your shoulder? Not so cool, right? So in this video, I'm going to talk about all those white flakes. Yes, dandruff. All I want to say is if you are someone dealing with dandruff or you are someone who have recently got the dandruff, it's really hard to get rid of it because there are so many factors that can cause dandruff. So even if you do not have dandruff right now, you may get it very easily. My scalp is completely dandruff free now and I want to share with you guys my tips and tricks and all the home remedies which I used and let you guys know what worked for me, what doesn't work for me and what made it worse. But first, let's go ahead and look into what causes dandruff. An year ago, I decided to go online and do all my research on what causes dandruff. So I found out that there is a fungus which lives in the oil of your scalp and that causes dandruff. That means if you do not wash your hair, dandruff will get worse. And something else I found out was you may have CSI, which is a chronic scalp issue. It is something which you are born with and you can try your level best to get rid of it. And another reason I found out was it may be due to dry scalp. Now let's just get into my tips and tricks and all my home remedies which I follow in order to get rid of dandruff or completely avoid it. Tip number 1. Choose right kind of hair products. So our scalp is part of our skin. So just like skin, we have combination oily and dry skin. It's the same with the scalp. So choose your hair products, whether it's shampoo, conditioner or any sort of hair products according to your hair type because it does contribute towards your scalp health. So let's just think in this way. Can you maintain your scalp health if you are not using the products which are suitable for your scalp or maybe unfit for your scalp? No, right? For the longest time, I was using shampoo having synthetic ingredients, parabens, sulphates and whatnot in it, and that just made my dandruff worse. Ever since I have switched my hair products to more natural one, I can see phenomenal difference in how my hair looks and feel, and it has improved my scalp health a lot. I would highly recommend you guys to go ahead and see if your shampoo has synthetic ingredients like sulfates, paraben and all those nasty stuff. Do not use it because it is going to ruin your hair eventually. So personally, I switched to more natural shampoo having clean ingredients and the ingredients which I know and I can recognize them. So I switched to this shampoo from Kalia Naturals. This shampoo is really great because this is all natural and it has all clean ingredients. Plus the packaging says that it has no sulfates and no sodium whatsoever. Mild shampoo with nice and clean ingredient can definitely make a difference because for some people ingredients which are harsh like silicone, parabens and sulfate can irritate their scalp and make their dandruff worse. And that's what happened with me. It made my dandruff worse. And that's the reason why I like to use this shampoo from Kalia Naturals because it's having very nice and clean ingredients, and I have recommended this shampoo to some of my friends and family and they absolutely swear by it. Also, if you want to check a full review on this shampoo and conditioner, I have done video in past and I will link that video above here. You can go ahead and have a look. So if you are interested in checking, I will leave the link in the description box down below for $5 discount on your first purchase. Tip number 2, hair oiling. So there is a myth that hair oiling causes dandruff, but I believe it's absolutely false. I believe hair oil is very much necessary and it's very much beneficial because it provides nourishment to our scalp and hair and make them look strong and beautiful. Hair oiling revitalizes hair tissue and it has so many benefits like it tames frizziness and it fights hair fall too. So I really like to do hot oil massage twice a week using an amazing oil blend which I made by myself using a lot of amazing plant oil and some essential oils. And if you are interested in checking that video, I will link that above here. You can go ahead and have a look, or if you like to use your own oil which you really like, you can go ahead and use that, but add 2 essential oils which is tea tree oil and peppermint oil because they are so amazing. They have lot of antibacterial, antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties, which helps with the dandruff and also reduces itchy scalp if you have. So I do not like to leave oil onto my scalp overnight, especially if you have dandruff issues. Instead, what I like to do is I like to apply oil onto my scalp for 2 to 3 hours and then wash it off with shampoo and conditioner and let it air dry. Tip number 3, washing your scalp. So if you have dandruff issues, it's recommended to wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week with cold water. So what I have noticed personally is my scalp used to get oily every other day and I needed to wash my hair every other day when I was using that nasty shampoo. But ever since I have switched the shampoo to more natural one, my scalp is good. Like, I feel like my scalp is balanced and it doesn't get oily that much. So I believe the ingredients in your hair products do make a difference in your scalp health. For the longest time, I was making a mistake of putting shampoo directly onto my scalp. What it does is it damages the scalp. Instead, what I found which actually works is foaming the shampoo in palms with water and then massaging gently onto your scalp. That does make a difference. Tip number 4, DIY treatment. So I'm a firm believer of Ayurveda, and according to Ayurveda, there are a lot of ingredients which can help with dandruff, like amla powder, which is also known as Indian gooseberry, apple cider vinegar, tea tree oil, fenugreek seeds, and lot more. I like to make hair masks using these ingredients because they are proven to help with dandruff. My most favorite ingredient has to be Indian gooseberry powder because it's potent source of vitamin C and it's really great for your scalp and hair, and it does help with dandruff. So if you are interested in checking that hair mask, I have recently posted that and I will link that video above here. You can go ahead and have a look. So basically what I did was I just took Indian gooseberry powder and coconut oil, mix all those together and apply it like normally you would do with any hair mask. But yeah, there is a detailed video on that which I will link here. You can go ahead and have a look. DIY number 2. So apart from the Indian gooseberry, I really like this apple cider vinegar rinse. So for making that rinse, you are going to need 2 cups of water and half cup of apple cider vinegar. Mix these 2 ingredients. And after your shampoo and conditioner, rinse your hair with this mixture, and after some time wash your hair with cold water. Also, I want to mention that you do not want to add more of apple cider vinegar because apple cider vinegar has a very different pungent kind of smell which is not so flattering. So I like to use half cup of apple cider vinegar and 2 cups of water. That's just perfect. After using this rinse, you are immediately going to see the difference because your hair will become more soft and it does help with dandruff. So that's a win-win. And last DIY I'm going to share it with you today is a fenugreek hair mask. So what's really great about fenugreek seed is it helps with premature hair graying, fights with dandruff, and also fights with hair fall. So let's just see how to make it. You're going to need some fenugreek seeds, some olive oil, and a tablespoon of curd. Now you want to go ahead and soak your fenugreek seeds overnight in water because they are really hard and you cannot grind them. So for making it softer, soaking overnight helps. You are going to take that soaked fenugreek seeds, 1 tablespoon of curd and 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and blend all these ingredients together until the paste looks something like this. And then you're going to apply it all over your scalp and leave it on for about 30 to 40 minutes and then rinse it off with your favorite shampoo and conditioner. Okay guys, so that was all for today's video. I really hope that this video was helpful for you, and if it was helpful in any way, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, I would love to have you guys on my Instagram because I share a lot of tips and tricks and healthy recipes there. So yeah, let me know if you like them, and I will see you next time. Till then, bye.